Hi, I wanted to come back again and show you what else I could do with my hair. The last time I was showing my grid, I showed you me putting this part back and then my hair just hanging over to wherever I wanted to, whichever side. So I decided to come back and try something else. So I will take this, I'm going to twist it like this. And I want you to know that all the time when I start my hair, I don't exactly know how it is going to turn out. I'm going to take that goodie clip that I had in the back already. I'm going to take that one out and I am going to replace it with a brown one. And I am going to attach that twist to the twist that was on the left. It was already there, just to hold that in place. I'm going to pull this up just a little bit. And now I'm going to take this side. I'm going to also flat twist that side back. And I'll leave the back of my hair down. And this is my style. Simple, yet professional. And I can wear it anywhere. Thank you again for watching my videos. Remember to like, share, comment on the video. Let me know if there's something else that you'd like to see. At the end of this video, I will show you a clip of some of the things that I thrifted while I was in Nashville and just moving about in Tennessee. I sometimes put those things that are thrifted that I purchased, mostly new with tag, that are too large for me on my Poshmark closet, which is Jean G at Poshmark. So also visit me on Poshmark. Remember to share this video with your friends and let them know that I'm out there and that I have videos for loose naturals as well as Sisterlocks. This is a sister who loves her locks, and I love you as well. Thank you for watching. Go ahead. Because we're out here thrifting in Nashville. Not a lot of luck in the first store. All I purchased was a Anya belt.